Hey lovies, so today I decided to do a quick video on how to style your braids. You can use a hair tie for tying your hair or one of the braids. So in this video I'll be just using the braids to tie my hair, and today I'll be doing something different. I'll be adding 10 daily tips to maintaining a positive mindset. This is just a reminder for myself as I have been feeling a bit down lately. I hope those tips will be helping someone also out there. I'll be adding those tips at the end of each look, so I won't be explaining everything that I'm doing in each look. And I hope you guys will definitely enjoy this. Please give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe. So the first tip is be resilient, meaning that you must bounce back from disappointment, adversity, and failure instead of giving up. Start your day with a positive affirmation. I'll just mention a few affirmations. The first one is I believe in, I trust and have confidence in myself. I learn from my mistakes. I forgive myself for not being perfect because I know I'm human. I can definitely accomplish anything I set my mind to. And I am worthy. Those affirmations, they will help you to focus on goals and get rid of negative self-defeating belief and program your subconscious mind. Practicing gratitude, meaning that you must appreciate every little thing, be thankful, and every time you feel like your things or your life is not going the way that you want it to go and you feel like it is unfair to you, always find good things that are happening in your life and focus on them, and also actively and continuously appreciate the good things that are happening in your life. Surround yourself with positive people. Be very selfish with your time and always cut off people who are not growing you, people who are negative. Always cut them without even thinking twice. Shape your thoughts and language. Be kind to yourself always and to others, and everything starts with your mind. If you are always thinking of negative thoughts, that's what you will attract, and you will always see bad in everything that is happening. So another tip is 10 failures into lessons. Each time you fail and recover, you are building strength of character. Understand that failure is not a weakness, and when you fail, always acknowledge your mistakes, learn from them, and don't lose your confidence. Always wake up and show up. Start every day on a positive note. Wake up and sing to your favorite song, or do anything that you know will turn your mood around. And with me, I always play good music that I know will bring my mood back, and I listen to motivational videos that helps me a lot as well. Always practice positive self-talk. Speak positively to your life. Speak positive about yourself. Be all about positivity. Everywhere you turn, it must just be positivity, positivity, positivity. Always, always, always open yourself up to humor at all times. So I'll just end the last tip with a motivational quote from Sarah Jakes. It says, "Your life is not a coincidence, nor is it by accident. You are here for a reason, and you have a purpose that only you can fulfill." I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. See you on the next video.